Triple H. Lola, did you see that? The sun just slid sideways in the sky. That was not a normal sneeze. Meet Timmy. A regular kid with a not-so-regular sneeze. In fact, Timmy had the world's strongest, most powerful, most super-duper sneeze in the history of sneezing. Every time a little tickle went up his nose, something absolutely bonkers would happen. It all started on a sunny Tuesday. Timmy was chasing a butterfly when Triple H. Suddenly, all the green trees in the park turned bright purple. The birds, instead of chirping, started mooing like cows. Moo! Moo! Timmy blinked. What just happened? He giggled. This was awesome. He wanted to see what else his sneeze could do. So, he looked right at the sun, wiggled his nose, and Triple H. For a split second, they turned into night. The stars twinkled, an owl hooted, and then, poof! It was daytime again. This was the best superpower ever. Timmy started sneezing on purpose. He tickled his nose with a feather. Triple H. All the dogs in town started meowing like kittens. Meow! He smelled some pepper. Triple H. A rain of colorful jelly beans fell from the sky. He ran around catching them in his mouth. This was hilarious. But then, things started to get a little too silly. He sneezed again. Triple H. And the delicious, cold ice cream cone in his hand turned into a steaming hot broccoli stalk. Yuck! He sneezed another time. Triple H. And his shoes magically appeared on his hands, while his mittens were now on his feet. He tried to walk but kept tripping. This wasn't so fun anymore. The biggest miss happened that afternoon. Timmy let out a giant. Triple H. The moon, sleepy and pale, popped up right next to the sun in the middle of the day. Everyone was so confused. The world was a jumbled up, mixed up mess. Timmy realized his super sneeze was causing super trouble. He felt a tickle coming on again, but this time, he didn't want to sneeze. He remembered what his mom told him to do when he felt overwhelmed. He closed his eyes, took a big, slow breath in through his nose, and then breathed out slowly through his mouth. He did it again, in and out. The tickle started to go away. He felt calm. As Timmy stayed calm, the world slowly started to fix itself. The purple trees turned green again. The dogs started barking, not meowing. The moon waved goodbye to the sun and drifted back to its nighttime spot. Timmy's shoes hopped from his hands back onto his feet. His hot broccoli even turned back into a cold ice cream cone. Timmy learned a big lesson. Having a super sneeze was exciting, but it was much better when he could control it. He learned that even when things feel crazy and out of control, taking a slow, calm breath can help make everything right again. So, what did we learn today? Let's go over some new words. A sneeze is when air suddenly rushes out of your nose. Triple H. To be calm means to be slow, quiet, and peaceful. Just like taking a deep breath. Change is when something becomes different, like a green tree changing to purple. And control is when you can guide something or stop it from happening. Timmy learned to control his sneeze. Wow, what an adventure! Sneezes can be powerful, but being calm is a real superpower too. Thanks for watching with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories. See you next time. Bye!